Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan channel. It is Veganuary day 26. Today we're a little strapped for time, so we're going to make a quick recipe for vegan Bosh balls.
Whoa.
Now this was from the channel Bosh on YouTube. They are in the UK. They have one cookbook. They're working on their second one, and they have really interesting recipes. And this brings me back to when I was just vegetarian and I used to make spinach balls all the time.
They were so good.
Thank you. Now these are made from kale, and they're not just they're not vegetarian. They're vegan. So no egg, no cheese. We're gonna give it a go. I haven't made my spinach balls in a long time, and I love kale, so I'm very interested to see how kale is gonna work out. And whenever I do a recipe, I never follow the recipe. I always make it my own.
Cool.
So I'm going to do it a little bit differently than they would today. And let's hope it turns out. You'll see a fail in front of the title of this video if it doesn't work out, but hopefully it will. So we're going to use an entire big bag of kale. This is 1 pound of kale. And the thing that I like to do is I like to go through it and take out the naughty bits. No one wants to bite down on that in their balls.
Okay.
So this is half the bag right here. We're going to do this in 2 batches because my microwave's not that big. And the microwave police will be after me because I'm using the microwave. I'm not going to struggle with it on the stove. I don't have a pan that big, and I don't want to be flipping it around.
It's okay.
So we're doing it in the microwave. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on here because it helps it keep the green color, and you're going to need it later on when you make the balls. You're going to want to have a little bit of oil in there because that's going to help hold everything together a little bit. Trust. So we're going to just pop this into the microwave. Maybe I should put a little bit of plastic wrap over the top so it steams it a little bit. I'm going to put it for about 3 minutes, and hopefully that'll be enough. And then I'm going to repeat that with the second half of the bag.
Ooh.
Alright, so all of this kale cooks down to not that much.
Yeah, really, dang.
Right? So we're just going to add some flavor into it now. We're going to add a couple of nice squirts of lemon juice. That's, if you're counting, it's probably like 2 tablespoons.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to add some granulated onion. If you're counting, it's a teaspoon. We're going to add the same amount of garlic. 1 teaspoon.
Are you counting?
I am now. We're going to add pepper. That's up to you. Some people don't like pepper. I like pepper. I'm not counting. It's just going to be like 7 to 10 cranks. And we're going to add some Himalayan sea salt. Especially since the breadcrumbs that we're using are unsalted.
Mm-hmm.
They're just Panko. If you're counting, it's probably about half a teaspoon. And we got Panko breadcrumbs. So first let's pre-mix this to get the flavor all dispersed. And then we'll add enough breadcrumbs for it to come together. Come together!
Copyright.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, it smells so delicious already. The lemon and the garlic.
Fresh.
And the onion. In the original recipe, which I'll also link in the bottom bar in case you want to see some real chefs cooking, they used fresh onion and fresh garlic, but we're in
a bit of a hurry
today.
We're
in a hurry tonight, and I tend to really like the flavor of the granulated over the fresh anyway, so that's just me. I'm a weirdo. So, like, that's a cup.
Okay.
Let's see where that puts us.
How's it looking? How's it looking?
It's looking pretty good. Let's see. Okay, I can work with that.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to make these tiny meatball size, and we're going to put them in this already what would you say? Greased up baking dish.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not grease. It's
Cooking spray.
cooking spray. So we're just gonna get these all magically formed, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven because they fried them, but we're not about that fry life, so we're gonna bake ours. And hopefully they'll be just as good.
Ooh,
All right,
yeah.
we're gonna pop these in at 400 for about 20 minutes, and hopefully we'll have some Bosh balls. All right, there's the balls.
Looks good. It's a real peach sweaty.
They're a little crumbly.
It's okay. There's no eggs, so.
Yeah.
Yum. Mmm. That is amazing.
Really?
I'm obsessed with it already.
Nice.
It's like kale chips, but better.
Oh, okay.
Yum.
Can you taste the lemon?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Lemony garlic.
The lemon is really nice in there.
Awesome. Thanks, Bosh.
Yeah, thanks.
We made it our own, but it started with you. So I'm going to leave the link in the info box. Go check them out. I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks for subscribing. And until next time, much love.